Number 1. Which of the following statements is correct according to the TWI specification? A. Shear wave probes require signal of 80% FSH. B. Heterogeneous welds are always radiographed. C. AUT is preferred for thick section joints. D. Ultrasonics test cannot be used with minimum under any circumstances. The answer is A. Shear wave probes require signal of 80% FSH. Number 2. In relation to the operator level of qualification reported on UT01. A. The operator's level of qualification is sufficient. B. The operator's level of qualification does not comply with the TWI specification. C. The operator must have been approved by the company so he can perform the task with their authority. D. All options are incorrect. The answer is A. The operator's level of qualification is sufficient. Number 3. Do the report dates and test dates on UT01 comply with TWI specification? A. You would require the test and report submission on the same day usually. B. These dates do not comply with TWI specification. C. These dates comply with TWI specification. D. You require both to be completed within 12 hours. The answer is C. These dates comply with TWI specification. Number 4. Are the test sensitivities shown on report UT01 correct in accordance with TWI specification? A. They are compliant with TWI specification. B. They are not compliant with TWI specification. C. Test sensitivity is dependent on operator skill and not the specification. D. Although slightly higher than specified, they would be acceptable. The answer is A. They are compliant with TWI specification. Number 5. In the defect recorded on UT01, is it realistic expectation to find lamellar tearing as stated? A. Lamellar tearing would easily is detected in this joint stated. B. No, as welding process stated does not cause lamellar tearing. C. No, the joint geometry and shear wave scanning would mean you could not find lamellar tearing. D. Yes, it is realistic expectation to find this type of defect with shear wave. The answer is C. No, the joint geometry and shear wave scanning would mean you could not find lamellar tearing. Number 6. Is the coupland shown on report UT01 correct in accordance with TWI specification? A. Yes, providing it has been used for calibration. B. No, as polycell is water-based. C. The coupland would be acceptable providing it has been company approved by the contractor and used for calibration. D. The coupland would not be acceptable as there is no batch number stated. The answer is A. Yes, providing it has been used for calibration. Number 7. In the relation to the joint geometry stated in report UT01. A. There would be insufficient information to conduct ultrasonic testing successfully. B. The report must be stated the include angle as per TWI specification. C. there would be sufficient information to conduct ultrasonic testing. D. A trained operator would know his beam path. The answer is B. The report must be stated the include angle as per TWI specification. Number 8. According to TWI specification, is the material stated on report UT01 permissible and would it be considered practicable for ultrasonic examination? A. Yes, 18CR8Ni is acceptable to the specification and UT is commonly used on this material. B. There is no mention of this material in the specification. C. No, 18CR8Ni is not acceptable to the specification and UT is not commonly used on this material. D. If the attenuation check is done, then this material can and should be inspected with ultrasonics. The answer is D. If the attenuation check is done, then this material can and should be inspected with ultrasonics. Number 9. When does ultrasonic testing become the primary method of NDT in accordance with TWI specification? A. Fillet weld with combined thickness of 80 mm. B. Nozzle less than 80. C. Aluminium joint less than 80 mm. D. Heterogeneous weld. The answer is A. Fillet weld with combined thickness of 80 mm. Number 10. How many probes would be used on 12.5 mm thick single V butt weld in accordance with TWI specification? A. Only a 0 degree would be required for this joint. B. 4 probes would be required. C. 3 probes would be required. D. All options are feasible if you have access to both sides of the joint. The answer is C. 3 probes would be required.